Hey oh, hey oh, hey oh, hey yo, yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, I should probably like. I'll just keep it high. I don't give a shit. I don't give a shit. It seems to work a little bit better. Keeping the stream bit rate higher seems to work a little better. Yeah. Can't tell if my daughter is saying something up there. Did I get everything set up? No, I didn't. I just have no idea where some of my... Okay. I have like connections on here. And read the chat rules. What is this? I don't know why like some of the audio mixer shit's up. I just don't know why. I don't know if there's like an issue with this. Alright. Like, why is Beacon Music here? Why is this active? Anyways, sorry about that. All right. I was watching this thing on. On what's her face? Fillion. Straight from the heart. Yeah, so I was watching this. Papa. I think I can close these now. All right, yeah. I can close these. And that works. All right, wait a second. Do I want to watch it later? Maybe finish it later. I don't know. All right, so I've been coding. I had to restart my PC actually because I was having issues with the drivers. Like my thing here wasn't working. All right, so let's crank up this bad boy. Connect to host. Open folder. I saw this thing about, I'm gonna have to test it out, but it's like this thing that'll like go over your videos and it will see like how well it stimulates the brain. Yeah. So basically like review your video. Yeah. The thing is, it's like, will that like throw any flags on, will that throw any freaking AI flags because they could be like, oh, you like our AI is finding out that your shit's fucking you know, it's saying that your shit's basically AI. It was hitting like a certain standard, right? Like, so, but I'll try to like test it out. All right, let me increase the size of this. So yesterday I was working on clips parser. I was changing some things. The thing is that I'm going to be like passing this stuff in, and we need to know this. I guess maybe like an index here too. I don't know if I need to know that, but this TW clip ID key basically need to know that for everything. So I guess like title clipped by. It'd be nice to know like okay, let's check out this here. I'm getting this ready for basically tables. How I was working on it before was a little different, but now I'm doing tables, so I need to know how this stuff is. So we got this Twitch ID, title, Twitch stream ID. All right, so let's go ahead and put that in here too. Twitch stream ID. So, and this is a string. No, this is int. Shit. JSON Twitch stream ID. There we go. Title. Okay, so like I was putting link and some of that in this stuff. But I think I'm not gonna be doing that. What is this? Start to end muted segments? We don't need that. All right, so not now. So like I was putting link here, but I'm not really doing link any longer. What I'm gonna put in here, and I still named it link on my end. Oh, I did name it link on my end. Did I? No, wait a second. I think I renamed it. Let's go into let's go to Twitch HTML parsers and hide this. So here, okay, I have URL there, but here I should call this like this link here. It's not a link, so I'm gonna edit column. Edit column. I'm gonna call it Twitch com ID key. There we go. So that's what I'm gonna name that. Allowed to be nullable. Yeah. This is the number that is given to a VOD, which makes it interesting. Like, what if I download this like at the time and they don't have, like, if I get this while they're streaming, I won't have that VOD. That's the interesting thing. So usually at the end of twitch.tv/ and then Twitch com ID key. So I'm gonna actually name this TW. Yeah. 2D.com ID key. I put com because it's like .com. It's actually, I should put .tv, but anyway. Yeah. Hello. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to delete this and yeah. Let's paste this here. Shit. I didn't mean to do that. It's like looking for that. Twitch.com ID key. TW.com ID key. There we go. Let's reconnect to this. I was thinking about setting up a thing here. Yeah. Did I do this? Oh, wait a second. Did I update this? What are those like? I didn't realize I had like dots in the background. You can't see on yours, but I can kind of see them on mine. Sharing screen, baby. The bad thing is that I gotta like, oh my gosh, what the fuck? Bad thing is I can't log on to this part unless it's unless I log into the computer first. All right, so can I make this bigger? Oh shit, I didn't mean to do that. There we go. I might try to install that thing here later on. It's kind of funny. I could just like turn my head. Yeah, there it is. Still working on it. So I put link here. I guess we can still put link there. Yeah, let's do that. Ba-ba. Yeah, ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. What the fuck, Dio? Where's this at? There it is. All right, I really need to like not be so zoomed in. All right, YouTube parser. All right, YouTube com key, yeah. I thought I already fixed that. YouTube com key. This is the key to that YouTube assigns a video. All right, let's save that. All right. Oh, I thought it changed it here. I was like, what the fuck? Why did it change it? All right. YouTube com key. It's the key YouTube assigns a video. I should put also stream. All right, so I just figured, like, I got other shit in here I might want to add later on. Actually, that would be fucking probably a good idea. That'd be good practice, actually. Yeah, that actually be really good practice. I can make it smaller, a smaller test size, so I can delete it. And then the only problem is that, like, you can't delete like a like key. Well, a like unique key. All right, so generate. All right. YouTube com key. There we go. It's still fucking doing that. I'll probably have to reset this. It'll be a pain in the ass. Whee! It's funny because you can see like the network activity increase. When you do this. Ouchies. So it basically just uses a fucking... I wonder if it just uses like... It's just basically a streaming service. What is this called? Remina? I wonder if it has like an OBS backend or something. I don't know. VNC? This is just... This is my laptop. It's an old ass fucking Asus GL502VS. There it goes. It has like a 1070 in it with 8 gigabytes of like, you know, RAM. Which, like, when I saw that come out, I was like, I popped such a huge boner. I had to get it. The bad thing about it, I think this has 2133 gigahertz RAM in it. And but it has 32 gigs in it. So that's a good thing. I can't fucking read that shit. So my plan is to 32 is super solid. I don't like working on a PC with less than 32. I fucking hate my laptop. It has only like, not my laptop. I hate my iPad. It only has 8. And that's what pisses me off, because like they released the new iPad Air less than a year from the previous one where they had the M3 that now has the M4 chip and 4 more gigabytes of RAM at the same price as what it was before. They don't need much though. Yeah, but like I have tons of tabs and shit, and I got tons of tabs. But yes, they do a decent job where I don't really fucking notice it. Yeah, the Pro version, holy shit. And you can get like 16 gigabytes of RAM on it if you get like the one with the 1 terabyte hard drive. But I think the Pro now, because they came out with a new Pro line also. And they, how do I put it? The Pro line. How do I use words? How do I use words? The Pro line, motherfucker. What was I saying? What was I saying? I don't remember. The Pro line does something. It has an M5 now, I know that. But yeah. Oh, I think like their baseline has 12 gigabytes of RAM too. It has LiDAR. That's true. I didn't know if I wanted to have like it recognize my face and open up. I don't think I wanted that. I like the touch thing. Better VTube tracking. Well, I got a phone for that. I got an iPhone 13 I use. I got a mini one. I need to put like a cooler on this. It gets fucking hot. Here's me moving around the thing. Ah. There you go. Water cooling case. They have like, you can just like, well, I could 3D print it. Well, like you get like an aluminum thing and like maybe like not necessarily glue it, but maybe get some like thermal pads. And as long as like you have like that and put a fan on it, maybe have like a little bit of fins and have a fan go, like push air through it. I mean, it'll fucking keep it cool. Yeah, 3D printed mount. I'd have to design it, and then I'd have to fucking the bad thing would be is that I would have to go on there and how do I put it? I'd have to go on there and I have to go and restore my 3D printers. I got 2 of them, and I don't want to like do any maintenance to them. I'm fucking too lazy right now. I'm thinking about moving them out to the garage. Oh, that I couldn't do that though. I wouldn't want to fucking walk all the way out there to fucking do a 3D print. I got enough like shit like running in that room right now that I don't want to delegate power. I have a bamboo, just tap and go. Yeah, I gotta like Creality, like, you know, they're like, I think it's a V3 Creality. Let's see if they have their old shit. They kind of like don't use that extrusion any longer. Ender. So I got like an Ender 3 V3. No, that's not it. Maybe it's an Ender 3 V2. I was pretty sure I had an Ender 3 V3. Unless they changed it. Ender 3 V4. They must have fucking changed it. They don't use the aluminum extrusion any longer. It looks like. I gotta see what this is. Why don't they use that? Now they're using this piece of shit. I thought like we all agreed that this is like not the way to go. Oh my goodness. Under $100 on eBay. Huh. Born from Speed. What is this? Oh, they're doing 3D scanners and shit. Core XZ. Actually, if I was to get like a new 3D printer, it'd probably be the Prusa. Prussia? Wonder what they got now. Have you ever like Oh shit. They're upgrading their shit. It's been a while since I fucking looked at like 3D printers. They have a multi-material. I would just do this because like, well, the reputation's great. And basically like the Enders and all that shit, they base theirs off of Prusa. Like, I don't know if it's Prusa or Prusa. Prusa, like, they came out with this and like everybody fucking copied it basically. So, and like, and they have like 3D printers, like building 3D printers. Prusa? Yeah. Yeah. But look what they got now. Like, oh, they had the Mark 4S. Holy shit. I'd want to have like an XL. I'd want to have something with like 300 millimeter plate. At least. XL is the best. Oh man. Look at this thing. This thing's fucking like almost, it's like 2.3K. Holy fuck me in the goat ass. Let's see how much this is. Assembled. The kit's $709. Ah, so fucking expensive. If you want open source, it's worth it. It is open source. You can fucking build it your own, right? But they got like that tuning down right, just right, right? Government's now cracking down on like all this shit, though. Under the guise of like, you can print your gun. We are literally like living in the worst time. Everything was fucking way better like before 2020. Yeah, you can make a gun without a printer. Like, yeah. If you have like, what are they gonna do? Like, start fucking like if you got like a machine, what is that machinist called? Like, machinist tools. I don't think you can really deal with that, but like, something like this. What is this called? Bolton Tools Multi-Speed Vertical Turret. What the fuck? Yeah, you don't really need a lathe, but you need to like be able to like I think they're called vertical mill. Yeah, it'd be like a vertical mill. Oh yeah. Benchtop mill drill. If you have like one of these, you can do that. You can do that because you can like you can just like do subtractive shit and build the key components on that. And then like you probably would still need to use a lathe to put those grooves inside the barrel. You know, but that's just used to like make it more accurate. You don't necessarily need it to build like a shotgun or something like that. Shotgun would be fucking almost easy. You can make one like, yeah, you just need a button and a press. I was just thinking that you had something like spin around, but I guess like, yeah, you can go down the press. It had to be fucking long as fuck though. That's what I was thinking. Like, I don't know. Either way, like you'd have to like go deep down in that shit. You gotta go deep down in it. But I don't really know much about guns. So, machinist tools. Saw some dude, he made like a fucking badass like shotgun. But he made it like stuff that you can buy out of like at a Home Depot. It was just like the grips and stuff of that he made like out of a 3D printer, and that's fucking nothing, right? That's fucking nothing. I do want a lathe though, but I don't know what I'd fucking use it for. The diagrams of the 1911 are online. Yeah, that gun won't ever die. You want a shop? Hell yeah, so do I. I think I might have to. I wonder if I can go like, I don't know, become someone's like apprentice on this shit. Become a machinist. Give it all up. Just make custom fucking items and sell them for tons of money because they're all custom. They're all custom. You can learn online, lots of machining YouTube channels. Yeah, but I don't have the tools. Teach me, Seymour. Let me use your stuff. This shit's expensive, and like you used to be able to find like good finds like on like Facebook and shit, but like people got smart to it. People got smart to the whole like marketplace on Facebook. I think I hear my daughter or something. Yeah. Small Chinese ones. I'd rather get like a fucking old one. Although like they're more susceptible to have like what do they call that? It's not drift, but it's like I want to say slop. The gears get kind of like worn down a little bit, and so like it's not as tight. You got to replace that shit. Make new gears, yeah. Is that my daughter? Usually she yelps, so then I know what to get her. My room's right next to the wall's right next to the fucking bathroom. The other end's a toilet, basically. All right, database access, not on YouTube. It helps to have like this mother bitch. What the fuck, man? Would I do a camera system? I thought about putting one up so I can see out there, but that will just open a whole can of worms. Then my mom will be like, it's a good idea to fucking put cameras in the house. And she'll probably put them fucking everywhere. She has them like all around the house, like outside. And she has them like all inside like her mom's apartment. Because her mom's like, is she 98? She might be 99 now. I can't fucking remember how old my grandma is. But she's fucking old. Have a blank system there cheap for how many you get? So she likes using those like battery powered ones, and then like it's all synced to the cloud. She just doesn't even give a shit. She knows it's all going to like China into their databases, but she doesn't give a shit. So she has like, okay, so she has them like outside the house. Wait a second. She has them outside our house. She's a member of the HOA. So she like freaks out that someone like disgruntled person will fucking go off. Which I don't blame her, because people fucking get irate about that shit. But it's like, I don't know. Like my dad says, they want like a certain set of standards for the neighborhood, and if you don't want to like abide by those standards, then you don't have to fucking move in. But yeah, if you want to be able to put a huge ass fucking satellite dish in your front lawn, motherfucker, just live out in the fucking country. That's what you want to do anyway. Yeah. I had to fucking tone it down. Like, I was like smelting shit outside and using coal and like other fucking flammables, and like I had to fucking tone it down. I'm like, man, this stuff's just like pouring smoke out everywhere. I was like, what if the fucking like fire department gets called? Because I'd like try to do it during the day and shit. Aluminum casting. Yeah. What I want to do, I got like a bunch of copper bars. I want to clean those out a bit, and then like I want to do electrolysis with it. Yeah. Let me get like a cut. I want to copy the table. I don't like how I have to go into here. All right. Copy table schema. Yeah, let's do that. Paste. I don't need to know these. I guess I do. Constraint these nuts. All right. There's this guy called Hyperspace Pirate. He turned copper sulfite into copper metal. Yeah, you can do that shit. I got like I bought, because I didn't want to buy from a fucking lab. I got, and I don't know how watered down it is, but I got sulfuric acid from Menards, which is like a hardware place. They have like this extra strength like unclogger thing, and that's the sulfuric acid. It has sulfuric acid with like a little bit of gel on the bottom of it. I guess like the gel will go down first and like help protect your pipes a little bit, or keeps them from like flowing as fast through everything. I don't know exactly what the gel's for, but the gel's in there. I didn't know how to take it out, but I used that, and I was trying to do some electrolysis, but I was kind of fucking up. I was just fucking with it outside, but I was trying to like not plate, but like make these copper wires bigger. Yeah, probably not a good idea. It like nothing really stuck to it, and it started becoming like dusty. So, but the sulfuric acid, and I put some distilled water in it too, and that became fucking blue. And that's this, copper sulfide. I'm not a chemist. My brother's the chemist. Yeah, my brother's the chemist. Oh shit. I think I need to get like I don't need this one. Chemistry's fun. Yeah. He's I forget what his shit was. Oh, his shit. He defended his dissertation, and he was using like a spectrometer or something like that. I guess his research was in his research was in I guess they were trying to like analyze proteins in a vacuum. And it's kind of hard because like I guess they kind of lose their shape a bit in vacuums. And of course, like proteins, like shape is everything. Well, of course, atoms and shit like that too are a lot of to it, but like shape is, so important. Yeah. All right, so but that was like probably 10 plus years ago. Yeah. That was when he graduated. He pretty soon like moved out to Oregon after that. And as soon as he graduated, I think he like got his wife pregnant and soon like moved to Oregon. They weren't fucking around. Kind of like when they tested bacteria in space, saw it balloon out of control. Yeah, probably something like that. Kind of similar. But that's kind of weird. Like balloon like grew out of control. Get on that life train, yeah. He yeah, it was funny. But like he lived out there by himself for a little while. Like 6 months while they were getting their I guess they're getting everything else in order at home. And quick links. Get links initializer. I just need something like this. No, I need this one. All right, let's get this. Copy. I think I just want to have like a couple tests here. Yeah, let's grab these. Copy. Yeah, getting everything in order. But then like he basically like paid off like all his student loans. Of course, like he had like a lot of research grants and stuff like that. And what I don't necessarily think it's I don't think they call it necessarily grants. I'm trying to think like maybe they do call it grants, but like yeah, usually when you're like getting your doctorate, like some company will like help pay for it if you do research for them. So he was doing that. Grants are free money. Yeah. I can't remember exactly what it's called that he was doing. Ah, shit. What they call that when a business helps you out. I guess he had some loans and bonds and stuff like that, but like a lot of your college gets paid for by like somebody else when you get your doctorate because you're doing research and shit like that. am I doing? Did I have it here? Oh, there it is. I should have this. I'm gonna redo this. Let's do this. And then we gotta close this shit. Boom and boom. Let's do like sample JSON const equals there we go. I don't know if I need this there. I can't remember. Let me look at the very end here. Yeah, I don't need that there. All right. It's not necessarily a scholarship. I think it might just be grants. I think it, but non-governmental grants. But yeah. They don't necessarily call it scholarship. Because like when I was getting my master's, like I could apply for it too. I could apply for some that was provided by the school, and I did, but they only do it for like 2 years, and after that you got to start paying your own. And it'd be like $2,000 or something like that. It wouldn't be like tons of money. So like typically you'd probably like pay like maybe $5,000 or $4,000 for a semester. And it just matters how many credit hours you take. And then like, let's say you get that, you get that student loans and shit. And that money will go towards like, they'll automatically pay off your student loan towards it. So that was nice. Sample session, what's up with this? It's unused, all right. Ugh. I guess I do like although I didn't have to deal with a bunch of the bullshit, but I don't know how it was like after I left. Things could have got like really bad between like 2000 and 2004. But I like academia, but I also don't like it. I did like my teachers and shit. I like the school I went to, because it's part of Purdue actually, and I got a Purdue degree, which is fucking really good. I can say I got a Purdue degree, master's degree in computer and electric engineering, master of science in it, and but like it wasn't fucking where I went wasn't as big as Purdue. So you really got to know like the professors and shit, which was kind of cool. And plus, like, obviously, I was like closer in age than most of the other people there. And I took like almost 2 years of like prerequisite courses to get into the program, because I had like 0 engineering courses. Thank goodness I didn't have to take any math courses. I just had to take some like engineering courses, like signals and signal processing and shit. And I had to take like a probability class that was aimed towards engineering. I guess that was like the only math class pretty much, but it was like everybody was like an engineer in that one. So like Had to take that course. And then I tried to do like electromagnetism. That shit's fucking hard. And like we couldn't use like any notes for electromagnetism. Holy fuck, dude. It's the worst. I need to finish up some general ed. Oh man, I fucking hate. I dropped out of I took it like way too soon because you need to have like basically like what we had. Like I had 4 levels of calculus, like Calc 1, Calc 2, Calc 3, Calc 4. Basically you had to take like Calc 4 and maybe like some differential equations to like really do. And I never taken a differential equations like course. So that was kind of new to me. And like there's tons of differential equations like in circuits. Like they use them like all day long. Yeah, especially when you start like introducing like AC and yeah. I don't remember what you're all what you've taken and whatnot. But yeah, I dropped out at the second, but the first time, like I never took, I was like, I think I was on Calc 3 and they let me in. Holy shit. I was like totally over my head. I dropped it. And like, in this other time, like I wasn't like as sharp at my math as I was like at, like in 2003. But I tried the first test. I just fucking totally bombed. I had a calculator and I started programming like functions in my calculator to cheat. And I was like, I didn't use them because I was like, if I'm going to cheat and just like, it's not worth it. I'm just going to fucking drop the class. Like, it's not worth trying to cheat this through. And then like, it ruined like my chance to get into like, the fucking, a graduate program. So I didn't even fucking use the calculator. Oh, I used the calculator, but I didn't use any of the functions in it because I was like writing them in. So I just calculated out. But I was just like, if they catch me, I'm fucked. So I just didn't even use them. And then I totally fucking bombed that test. And what's funny is like, he lost my test. I was like the only person he didn't call out for the test. He lost it. When he was handing it back, he's like, I'll get back to you at the next class. I was like, you fucked it. So basically like when the last few days dropped the course, I ended up dropping it. Yeah. Because after a while, like there comes a time when you cannot drop it. Yeah. I wonder if I should do this manually. Yeah, I should make a manual one. All right, so I guess like I don't think this is like a good idea for this. Maybe I should make this like a sample, like, okay. Funk sample JSON sample. And I think I should return like, I guess like this. Boom, boom. I don't know exactly what all I need. Because I need like the Twitch channel ID, which would be this. Yeah, I just call it that. Oh, it's YouTube. Fuck you, YouTube. Twitch channel ID. FK. Why does it have FK there? What the fuck? I don't want to name it that. Twitch stream ID? What the fuck? Oh, that's me. Why did they put FK there? Edit, calm. Save that. It's muted segments. Do I have a muted segment section? Oh my gosh. I'll probably have to bring that up. But all right. Twitch stream ID, title. Oh, I don't have any of that shit in there. All right, so this one here, Twitch streams, Twitch channel ID. Twitch channel ID. Which one does this have? Okay, we got creator ID. Okay, this will return a, I guess, like, channel? Yeah, let's return a channel. Star channel. Return. Okay. New Hinchan. New channel. Hinchan. And I guess like info. Okay. Hinchan. We'll go ahead and just do this here. Dot. I guess like streams. Wait a second. Can I just load this up? I can just load this up. I'm fucking stupid. I was gonna like just type it all in. Wait a second. The bad thing is I'm gonna have to like grab it some more and everything. Okay. I guess like first what I should do is see if I can load, let's see if I can open it up. I got some stuff in there and this will be smarter of me. Let's see if I can load a struct. Let me open up another thing here. Bash, cd, UI, what is it? UI server. Okay, go run main.go. So I got like a few things already in here. I got Pipkin Pippa, Asmongold, Henry the Genius, Leaflet, and Bow the Whale. So her shit's here. That shit's there. That shit's there. So I'll like, maybe I'll do like, oh my gosh. Edit. All right, save changes. I don't know why it does this. Failed to update creator. Well, it fucking updated it. Yeah, it fucking updated it. All right, so I guess like sample. Okay, so sample equals new channel JSON dot Marshall Marshall unmarshall unmarshall parses the JSON encoded data and restores the result and the value pointed by V. Let's make sure everything's like, let's make sure this is like the same. Like, all right, so this one, oh shit. Copy this and paste. Yep, wrong one. Paste. And delete that. And delete that. Last DO. I think these are pretty much all the same. So I want to see if I could save this, and I also want to see if I could open that. But like first I want to like make this. I think that was the only thing I really changed. Muted audio. All right. Yeah. I don't think I'm gonna use last DL. That should have like a date instead. Before, like, because I was like, I had an array or a slice of it. Now I'm not doing that. All right, Twitch channels. Why is that over here? Oh, okay, I see. Last DL video, last DL stream. Oh, wait a second. I think I have it in here. Like under creators or yeah. Last update, timestamp. I don't know. I don't think I really need this. We're gonna empty that out. We're gonna delete this. Because this was supposed to be like a, basically a, because I was making a queue, and I don't think I need that any longer. Yeah. So let's bring in this. Unmarshall. I think I can just do this, like... byte, and put in sample JSON, comma, and then this will be sample, and unmarshalls parses the JSON encoded data, stores the result, and the value pointed at V. If V is not null, if V is null or not a pointer, returns invalid unmarshalled error. Unmarshall also uses inverse the encodings that Marshall uses, allocating maps, slices, and pointers as necessary. Okay, so okay, so it'll allocate it for me. All right, cool. I think this will work. Yeah. We'll see if this marshals into it here. And then return sample. Let's do this. Fucking piece of shit. There we go. I might have to check on my daughter. You can tell I haven't really done this in a while because this is painfully slow for me right now. All right, so all right, funk. I think I'm like now kind of moving a little bit. Main. What is this doing? Should have put a fucking comment on this. API key that authorization bearer. Client from exact select execute to users. I think this is to like. What is this fucking to do? What the fuck does this do? Maybe prints the data? I don't know. I don't know what this does. All right, and I can't remember. Can't remember what this does, but maybe it just prints the data, returns the data. Yeah, I guess. Looks like it returns. It returns the data from the database. All right, so. All right, Twitch dot sample. All right, easy sample. Comment error. And easy cheesy lemon squeezy. All right. If error not equal to nil, panic error. Println. Easy. I guess like easy. Can't remember if I have a fucking. Now we'll bring up these two. This might just return an address. I guess I can do this. And easy. There we go. Because that's a pointer. There we go. And then for I equals the range of easy dot streams. Let's do this. Stream. Stream. Yeah. Boom. There we go. right, so now I can go to here. Anyway, so what is that? I said we got that one running. I'm just gonna go into here. And then cd, checking stuff. Go run main.go. All right, so that worked. Thank you. It worked. Interestingly. Interestingly, it printed everything in there already. I was afraid it was going to give me like, because like those streams are, those infos are pointers too. You just never know what's going to print. Right? Oh. Yeah, it stores the emojis and everything. It can be annoying though. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, my 5900 XT came in. Heh. Yeah, now I just got to get a motherboard and shit. I got to think about what I want to do. I think... yeah. I don't know. I don't know what I want to do. I don't know. I was thinking about like setting up other things. Basically setting up how do I put this? I don't know whether like my streaming PC, I'm thinking about like putting Ubuntu on it. Not Ubuntu, just like a like Omarky OS, something, maybe something. I don't know what they use. Do they use I don't know what Omarky uses. Do they use Qt or do they use? I think I want to use Qt, like a Qt based one. I always use like GTK like based fucking desktop. Yeah. Yeah, I know it's a Windows manager, but I don't know if Omarky uses that. Yeah, because like a lot of programs that I fucking use are Qt, like based, and I wonder if they like will work better. Like here, like if I go to like, I'm like, oh, let me change like, I don't know. I forget exactly like what, like let's say I want to like change the layer styles in this, right? And if I want to go move it, like what the fuck? Like this doesn't happen like in fucking Windows. It's Hyperland. It uses both GTK and yeah, this here, this is fucking retarded. And I know like Caden Live uses Qt. I think even fucking DaVinci Resolve uses Qt. Does DaVinci Resolve use Qt? Yes, Qt framework. You'll probably want to install a new desktop. Yeah, so it's Hyperland. Oh fuck, who can I use? Everybody's like putting that fucking like digital ID and embedding that digital ID in the OS. You can drag windows. Arch isn't. Yeah, they are. Arch is using systemd in the systemd that has that in it. Yeah. System D. They're using that System D, and like they've been basically deleting like anybody that's like complains about it. They basically just delete the comments and shit. I wouldn't even fucking have the option. That's like putting the foot in the door, dude. Why even? Why even fucking allow it? Why are they doing this? Just like fucking work. Why didn't like Facebook just fucking work with like these places and just be like, hey, why don't we like try to make like some sort of like parental controls, right? But no, they want to make it a law. They want to like use the force of the government, and which is like putting a gun to your head and telling you need to fucking do this. I mean, Microsoft had a robust parental controls. I don't know like how much Linux had, but Microsoft had a robust parental controls. Although it's kind of annoying. I can't even like take my son off the fucking. I can't even take him off of it. He's fucking 19. He doesn't. Give him his fucking account. Maybe I just got to do it on my PC. So trying to do it through like an app. So that printed. So let's see if I can add that in there. Oh, first let's see if I can add any of the genius her information into her Twitch. So okay. Let me see if I can get all the channels. All right, so funk. Get Twitch channel. And we'll have get Twitch channels. There we go. I don't think I like this. I think I kind of need to do this up here. Content creator.go. I almost think I need to do up here. All right. Yeah, let's do it up here. Yeah. And then I can add it to it. So let's add a database one. DBA access. Yeah. What's going on here? Because I think it'd be nice to just automatically load these things into here. I guess like I can creator ID. Well, it does have this in it though, like creator ID. I don't necessarily need to like go into here. I don't necessarily. Where the fuck is it? I don't necessarily have to go into this area. This could be like a separate thing. Handler. But I need a lot of this stuff here. How I feed it. So, yeah. Yeah, let's do this database access. Let's see if I can pull that because it's going to give me like the creator ID and all that shit anyway. And then I can update, like I can be like, oh, well, blah, blah, blah. So let's get like the Twitch channels. Let's get all of them. All right. Get all Twitch channels. And this will return channel. All right. I was asking Grok how to do it. Several big PlayStation games did not sell 1 million copies on PC. A new report shows low sales for popular titles when they came to PC. Ouch. I mean, but that's 300,000 sales. These games sold many more copies on PlayStation consoles. Back in February, people inside information says Sony was planning to stop putting its single-player games on PC. These games would only stay on PlayStation hardware. I can understand. Bet today, he don't know yet. I thought she had 2 girl cats. Anyways. History. Tribe V2 repo. What the? Oh. Prevent duplicates with up insert. All right. Okay, so to pull data from Pro Go fill struct. All right. Content. All right, so var contents. All right. Common variations. Let's copy this. Copy. Paste. Content type. Fuck. I forget what this is. Fuck. This is completely different than what I had. So content type. I started doing it on YouTube, but I should have like, yeah. Content type string. All right. YouTube streams, YouTube videos. Oh, that's the table. All right, so what if there are multiple tables? Okay. Well, let's just see what happens. Well, wait a second. We're just pulling it from one thing. We're just pulling the channels. I forgot. Bum, ba, bum. All right, so let's do this. All right, so client count. Yeah. Insert. Like, what the fuck is this shit here? I don't even have a fucking interface here. Oh, this is adding to it. Oops. I think I asked it this and then went to fucking bed. All right. So content type would just be like whatever here. So I think I just want to get like a list of all the channels and see if I can. Right. I got a few of them, so I want to see if I can get a list of all the channels. From, I guess, just Twitch channel. Yeah. Yeah, I think it's Twitch channel. Yeah, Twitch channels. All right, so Twitch channels. All right. All right, so and then like channels. Channels make channels channel comma 0. All right, so select okay. Did I fuck this up? To contents. So contents is this here. And I don't need to do an and sign. There we go. Copy. Because it's already a pointer. Wait a second. Do I really need to do like an and sign there? Okay. Well, we'll find out. Right. Interestingly. Head false for normal get. And I am going to, like in here, I was passing it. I thought I was passing it. I thought I was being smart by passing it. But I don't think I was ever really passing it. I was just kind of writing this out. Let me grab it from the main. So I think this one here, the authorization would be not anon. There we go. So let's copy this. And that's YouTube. There we go. Boom. Public. And then this will be, what is it? Service role. There we go. Service role. What the? All right. Channels make for everything or YouTube ID, title link, blah, 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 blah. All right. Error, handle error. Panic error. There you go. Hello. Contents. It's channels. All right. So boom. All right. And then I guess we can just return these actually. Return channels. What the fuck? Oh, that's why it's doing that. No more tornadoes. All right, so this should pull up these fools. Pippa, Asmongold, Leaflet, Bow, and Henya. There should be 5. Meow. Meow, 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 meow. So let's get this. Let's do new main. Where's the main? We know this worked. So next one we're going to do is we're going to kill ourselves. Okay, so Twitch, Chans. Is there anything else? Channels. I should return an error. Yeah, because I'm gonna fucking use this. All right, so has had a bad April. What happened? Turn nil error, I guess. I don't know. This might not be bad. There we go. This might not be bad. If error, we'll just return fucking error. There we go. Count error. All right, so checking stuff. Comma error. If error not equal to nil, return, I don't know, fmt.println error. And for I equals a range for nrc range of channels. Got println. Let's see. All right, let's see what happens here. I got mixed up in the Sikuno. Oh. Oh, would you look at that? Nice. It does it, chat. It does it. I I thought I had to do maps and I had to fucking transfer everything over and fucking, I thought it was going to be sending me fucking text and I was going to have to fucking write that all out and everything. Oh, I feel so much better. Pippa's taking the day off, but she's going to be, she said that she was going to like stream tomorrow. Didn't tell his girlfriend, instead went about it roundabout way, I think. Said some stuff insulting the lone male fans of her. Well. Oh well. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What the fuck is in fucking this shit? All right. ID. Oh, that's a why? What the fuck? Where's the first one? Is it because I deleted the first one? The lonely males. I mean, I don't know. Things are hit or miss with Val. That's the German chancellor probably had to repeat the speech in Arabic. What? What's so humiliating? When I start following Val because I heard she was based and funny, but never got around to it. I mean, she's a girl. Yeah. Excalibur. Sword in the stone and the sword in the lake. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Why did you confirm what I just said? So you're confirming exactly what I said. Excalibur. Excalibur is a mythical sword, may possess magical powers and be its first reliable, adaptable appearance, and Excalibur as the sword in the stone function as the proof of. No. The sword given to young Arthur by Lady Lake, and the tradition began soon afterwards by the post. The name Excalibur ultimately derives from yeah. I think this can be like Excalibur. I've been meaning to. The is Excalibur the sword in the stone? It's not. I've never. In the most traditional Arthurian legends, yeah. All right. Yeah, Wikipedia is not always correct. Excalibur is the mythical sword of King Arthur that may possess. First appearance is found in Excalibur as a stored in the stone function as the proof of. Yeah. The wording on this is bad. All right. All right. Where's like the sword in the stone? This is really, really worded bad. Sword in the stone. Only sword from the anvil account. It's foretold of Milan, act and performed by the true king. Yeah. Sorry, some guy's getting an argument with me about this shit on Twitch, and I must go against him. The navy of this sword as Excalibur as part of the 13th century cycle of the French romance is known as. Eventually, the cycles when Arthur is the brink of death. Throwing Excalibur in a lake. Yeah. After 2 failed attempts, Arthur sends blah 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 blah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. All right. You think? Yeah, some people, not by tradition, dude. Yeah. So this is just looking up Excalibur. Excalibur. So they will also include the not so traditional mention of the sword in the stone. Sword in the stone. The stone. Having been named Excalibur. So of course, also been named but this is not. Yeah. I don't know if my like. Let me type in the sword. Let me like. Yeah. The sword in the stone. Why are they having that? Yeah. Wikipedia's also Wikipedia is not the best source for this shit. Did you go to school? fuck off. Nope. The Sword and Stone is basically that. Some versions of the tale is not even featured at all. If I recall, Excalibur was given to... Yeah. For this type of stuff. Maybe like use it for math equations. Sword of Stone doesn't have a fucking name. The Sword in the Stone doesn't have a name. He fucking got the King Arthur. Fuck. Arthur got Excalibur from the Lady of the Lake. Ah! Bitch. All right. The fucking Sword in the Stone doesn't have a name. Sword in the Stone doesn't have a name, dude. At least like some people. All right. Mine looks like a random jumbled fucking rant. Anyways. ID, creator ID says ID 23456. Where's one? What the fuck? All right. Let me look at the tables. And this is going to be 5 columns. I think I had to delete something in here, and that's why it doesn't start at 1. All right. Yeah, a lot of people don't know it. It seems like freaking well, I mean, like, she has, if you think about it, right? Not everybody's like us. Most people are fucking normies, right? And like, maybe, I don't know, like how many people go to her streams. I mean, like, Henya pulls like 5,000 people for her streams, maybe most right now. Sometimes they'll go up to like 10,000. Fillion would do like 10,000, like a stream, maybe 15. So like, I didn't even know like there was an ARG thing until Pippa said something about it. By the way, Pippa probably pulls like anywhere, sometimes like 2,000 like on YouTube, and like maybe like 600 or something like that on Twitch. There's just like too many VTubers coming out now. I saw Henya and Iron Mouse playing the boat game. I don't know the game. So yeah, and I didn't even know it was ARG, and I like kind of like, I was watching those streams just like a little bit, but I never watched like the end of it. And I didn't even know there was an ARG. Just people were bitching about it. Like, where's Fillion? Where's Fillion? And she was like, it's an ARG. And I was like, oh, it's an ARG? I didn't know that. And then like, I saw like a video with one of these like these people that talk about VTubers, but they show their face, which makes me want to like punch the wall. Their faces look very punchable. And Depressed Nosagi made a vid about it. And God bless their hearts, showing their actual fucking face. Actually, I do that too myself, right? And yeah. Yeah, so what was I talking about? Anyways, they're saying like, and they're showing like the, you know, like the end of the fucking like clips and shit. And I didn't stay on there. Like, she probably has like some like hidden. Oh, wait a second. Let's check her Twitch here. I wonder if she Jillian.
The first day of the new season. Now.
All right, so this here, top clip. What is this? So her clips are still there, right? Clips. Let's see, like 7 days. What is this?
I'm getting caught in the rain. Hello?
Who's the hottest of them all?
My sister?
Ass. My ass. All right, so let's go here. Oh, what is it? Let's go to like her main. All right, so home. Let's close this. Oh my gosh. I thought maybe she might have a hidden one, but she has none. All right. Sign up for the best experience. Go fuck yourself. Yeah, she's been gone for. Well, sometimes they were like holding like your like 2 months worth of your streams, right? It looks like she fucking deleted them all. But they could have like run out. You will no longer what? Yeah, I don't want any notifications. Fuck notifications. Can I whisper her? All right. What the fuck? I just went typing in shit. Okay, Fillion. Hey. Are you lost? I've actually sent messages to several of her shit. Are you lost? Like she's ever gonna fucking contact me. She's ARG, there's no risk. It's high risk, no reward. Yeah, the reason why I think she's probably coming back like real soon, I bet she'll be coming back like within a month. I think I put like a year, right? This is part of the ARG. Like she was like, shit was disappearing, right? Slowly disappearing. Like she disappeared, right? And then like slowly like her streams and videos, like the older ones were fucking disappearing. Right? And maybe there's hidden stuff in the ARG. Like there's actually, I wonder if I saved him. Let me look here. Something went wrong. Fuck off. All right. So I got to open it here for some odd reason because it's stupid. All right. Let me see if I got Fillion here. A, B, C, D, Fillion. So I got these like WebMs. Yeah, some of these are long, like emptiness. was wanting to see if like, all right, I need a copy like that. All right, so let's copy like this. Open, rename. All right, let's copy that. Copy. Let's see if these are like still available. And deleting stuff till she complied. No, like this is the end of her fucking.
We need beds, God. Dude, God.
This is the end of her stream.
Not whatever. Absolutely.
Of her last stream. I was like gonna like go through all this and like see what fucking happened.
What's? Oh frick. Oh.
Cause like on here, like it has like one of the stream keys. That's obviously pre-recorded.
I didn't think it would be this soon. It's happening. It's time for me to go for a little while. I'll bring it to him. I really gotta go. I didn't think you'd ever see.
I think she'll be back within a month. Cause there's no way she's gonna like want to go without that like passive income. Okay, so like in there, I can't scroll because I don't have my thing, but in that shit there, you'll see like things flashing.
I've never seen it like this.
And it has one of those stream keys in it.
You'll be able to see the world.
I won't be able to stop it on it. Ah. There it is, right? Sir, I can't believe I hit that. So, I guess like, let's duplicate this one. Duplicate. And
hey, what's up guys, Rip here. So in this video, I'm going to be going over the very curious situation involving the VTuber Fillion. For those who are not...
Okay, so this shit's still up. She didn't delete this. Yeah. Was this on a stream? I guess she didn't delete this. LOL. At Fillion. So we seen you. So are we seeing you in the next month? Within the next month? Within this month? Fillion. Yeah, so this is like a, yeah. So this is a, this is what they call an unlisted video. Time is up. So, oh. Yeah, so this is like another channel. Is it really over? Yeah. Copy. Let's see if like Grok can decode this. New one. To decode this. In the title. Well, this is just her profile thing. I don't really care too much. let's do this. There. Man, if it could fucking decode shit, that'd be fucking awesome. It's fucking Jover chat. Putin. I think I like one day in another life, maybe. Perfect fit. Sweet. All right, so yeah, another life. Thanks. The Fillion situation. Yeah, I was like thinking about like just going through everything. Is her name even Fillion on here any longer? All right, so see more about this channel. Yeah. So which one was the, okay, so that was this. So this is probably that one channel that I was just at. Now let's see if this is privated. Her previous stream was privated. Or if it was, because this is the key here. So let's open this, rename. So this was her last stream. All right. I copied that, right? Shit. Paste. Yeah, I did. All right, so time is up. Jisms. All right. Paste. Oh, she privated it or she deleted it. That's why I'm thinking she's going to come back really soon, right? I think she's going to come back really soon because everything was slowly dying. Everything was slowly like being like taken off her channel. Right? So it's part of the ARG. This is nothing like, this is nothing fucking new. I think people like, they weren't following the ARG or anything like that. But like, yeah, slowly everything was like, was being removed from her channel. Rebranding. I think it is. I think it is. Okay. So yeah. And if you go to her, it's funny though, like if you go to her like Discord, he wasn't even talking about her Discord. Like she better fucking like come back soon because this is like height of like, I want to kind of like, I kind of want to like message. It's in my inbox. Oh. All right. I sent her a message on Discord like, I'm surprised her like DMs are open at all. So like they had like announcements helping out. Grab your roll here. So this like, she had like a Minecraft server. hasn't streamed in nearly 2 weeks. And so they had like a Minecraft server. I never went on it, but like, I guess like it fucking closed down or whatnot after a month or so. But I guess you could try to find clues here. And hardcore ARG server. Yeah. I mean, this is part of all the ARG. Guys, I hacked her hard drive. What the fuck? The ARG. Read the pins. Where do you get the pins? Where are the pins at? Pin messages. Oh, on May 1st, our monitoring system identified changes to Fillian's YouTube page, informing that all her videos were gone along with her profile pic, banner links, and bio. Snackers were immediately notified, prompting the comprehensive investigation. This led to discovery that everything related to Fillian began to disappear one way or another. Here's a current list of changes to Fillian's account on different platforms, blah, blah, blah. Stream unchanged, search it up. You hear the ARG document. Yeah, like no one's fucking like, I don't even know about all this shit, right? Let's visit the site. Snackers and friends. ARG overview. Stream ended with that. Blah, blah, blah. Initial video. First live stream. Second live stream. Same title as the third. It's the same channel. Title and description changed several times. The hint that the audio sequence at 6:22:22 was, which led to a YouTube short posted back in the day. Discord server. How like they should document like the date of the sign. Minecraft server. Found sign decoding backfile index.org in the admin constructed shrine, but later the Minecraft server briefly renamed to indicate more. Black file index. The truth can be entered, but the led nowhere. So I don't know, like, I'm not gonna look for all this shit. I like Fillian and everything, but I'm not like initial. I'm not gooning for her enough to fucking do this shit. Why Neko Meow? Neko Meow Meow. But I think like in her live streams leading up to the end, like they're doing shit too on YouTube. I heard weeks back Snackers hit a wall. Cause it was probably just to have people fucking waste their time. I bet now I fucking laugh about the fucking, or I make jokes about her being preggers, right? I'm surprised no one like got it from that one site, that one coding thing. I joke about her being preggers, but I mean, she probably had like some sort of surgery or something like that. We're just like, fuck it. Like, I'll just do this and create hype around it, right? And like, I won't be able to do anything for several months. And I'll have all this other shit. Like, I won't really be able to be my normal self, and hopefully I'll be fine after those few months, and then and we'll get back down to me being all jumpity poo and all that shit. No one knows the better. I'm in the camp that she's preggers. I mean, there's like a good possibility. I mean, she could have like a fucking boyfriend for all we know. You know what I'm saying? But like, Minecraft Silva. Website. What's this website? All right. The black file index. What is it? The truth. Fucking Windows XP. Where'd my mouse go? Is there seriously like your mom? The lie? Unreadable. Get me out of here. Password. Password. Open says me. Fillion. I don't know. I don't know if they had like a thing for that. How do I move this over? This is like the worst. The shit disappears. Not ready. Reading A drive. Well, fucking open up, bitch. All right. This is so fucking annoying. Did they have an AI make this? What? You think? Oh no. Wait a second. Shit. Open up, bitch. All right. You think they're gonna like? Wait a second. You think it's like in here that says like? Ah, fuck. All right. Cancel? No. Do you need to set a stop point though? I don't know. I don't know what that shit means. Where's it checking this? I was thinking maybe the password would have been in there. But maybe it's... Does it go to a fucking server? Blackfileindex.org. You own the client? Well, I was just wondering, like, to get the password in here. Maybe they send it. Let's take a. I'm sure someone had the password like in this thing. Here, let me see here. I just remember the truth because I just read it. Is it really over? One day. Oh, someone already fucking did that. Audio downloads. Steam profile. Yeah, I think she'll be back soon. I think she's gonna like. I bet I'll start with like a little video or a short or something like that. Right? And she'll be like, it'll be kind of glitching back in and she'll kind of fucking look a little different or something. And the truth, day one. Believe to be text began counting down daily. Uh-oh. If I'm lost, the backup coordinates can be found on Earth near where east meets west, an ancient sea bridge, an island between B and C, bodies both. This is probably the Minecraft server. I have a Yankee sixth sense about it. 2 ivory towns. Carry the cross into the mine. Just the whole number 63 times. Raise the parallel. Just twice the longest. To an island in Bering Strait. I bet this is on the fucking server. You can also just know and inspect the HTTP traffic. Yeah, that's like way past my pay grade. March 24th, Open Mysteries website, blah, blah, blah. Both CSS and terminal and desktop, there is a cursor object that does not render. Many attempts have been made to visualize it, deciphering it. Didn't say anything. She did collapse and die, though. Luckily, her skin was blue before collapsing. She's definitely fucking not dead. I just think like it was either like I can't think of a reason for her to not, you know, make money, not to take so long off. I mean, I guess like she could, maybe she really wanted to fucking like take months off and fucking find herself or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Maybe she was getting a little overwhelmed. But I think she might have like, yeah, I don't necessarily believe that, but like I bet she either got sick or like had some sort of surgery or got preggers with her boyfriend, whoever her boyfriend is. There's like ain't no way like a successful girl as her, like any of these streamers, right? Somehow I doubt, like, I mean, Pippa might have a boyfriend, but I almost doubt it. I don't know why. I'm sorry, Pippa. I hope you get a boyfriend soon, Pippa. I almost doubt Henya has a boyfriend too. I think they just, well, I don't know. She says she doesn't go outside. I mean, she could. But like, Pippa's more likely to have a boyfriend than Henya. Henya's like too much of a fucking recluse. Deserves a Asmongold. Let's not go that far. I mean, but she might have like a, you know, just some. It's not like she completely avoids everything like Henya does, right? Henya like avoids, like if she can't fucking like stream herself, and I doubt that she'd ever fucking fly to the States or anything, but even shit like that would be like I'm surprised she went to the Chikawa like collab or the fucking little park thing that they got. Yeah, some people were fucking going nuts on this shit. Like I don't know. Yeah. I was hoping like there would be like a newer clip or something like that. So you can do like videos and like highlights. So she'd do. I think they'll save like some of your highlights collections. Yeah, I got rid of that. All videos. Schedule. Anything coming up? Anything like highlight if it's coming up? What is it? What the fuck? What the fuck? That's like this week. All right. That's probably just shit. It won't go past a year. 2 years. All right. New from Luna? What the fuck is it? Oh, I need to fucking get the new games. Director's cut. Wait a second. Claim games. What is this? Taniku Neko must. Oh my gosh. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. This might be a game I play soon. Is my shit down? No way. There it goes. Ah, don't look at my face. Don't look at my beautiful face. I was looking like a hobo there for a little while. But I got a haircut and I shaved my beard. My beard was like looking, what the fuck? Look what I'm dealing with, chat. This piece of shit. Fucking hate Windows 11. Fuck you, Windows 11. Fuck you and your mother. Opt out of backup. Backup's recommended. Skip for now. There we go. I wonder if I had a power outage or something. I want to get that Neko Nya game. Twitch. Oh, this is what I hate about Windows 2, because everything loads in. Man, I did not miss this at all on so everything fucking loads in and Windows come up and interrupt what you're typing. I fucking hate that on Windows. Like, you don't get that. Wait, see, here it goes. You don't get that on fucking on Linux. No one, because they're not fucking annoying like that. For fuck's sakes. Anyways. All right, claim games. I want this game. All right, so let's claim this game. Neko nya nya. What? Play now. Your next game is ready. No, it's not. All right, so I'm not playing Madden. I don't fucking play Madden, bitch. Okay, claim games. Pale and Beyond. What is this? Oh, who played this game? No, this is not the game. I was thinking this was the game. Oh my gosh. Freaking Tenma was playing this badass game. Okay, continue. Reading. There we go. Monster Harvest. These are such girl games here. Neocap. Oh my gosh. Here. What the fuck? All right. Markup and share. Where is that at? Can I? Where is it? Is that in my thing here? I want to send this to. I'll send this to fucking. Well, I don't direct message Pippa, but she has the Capipulus, and I know like she'll fucking she goes through that, and I just like send like some things I think she might find interesting on it, and so like, at least I know she like fucking, she liked one of those things, so at least I guess that's the go ahead, and it doesn't necessarily have to be just about her on it, so I can do like things she might be interested in maybe. All right, that's not that. Let me see if I can get on here on a different thing. All right. Restore. I'm not gonna restore shit. All right. All right. Fucking have to use Edge. All right, let me see if I got screenshots here. What the fuck? All right, is it in pictures? Screenshots? There it is. Oh my gosh. There it is. All right. All right, saw this in the, I guess like Amazon. Oh, wait a second. Okay. I guess I can like do this. Can I edit this? There we go. I can do this. All right. Saw this in the luna.amazon.com claims. I guess, what do they call this? Yeah, you can claim. This game can be claimed on the Luna Amazon thing. I guess it's like through Twitch or something like that. It's free. The luna.amazon.com website. I don't want to like put a link here. A taxi cab game. A taxi game can Be claimed only. Luna on the Luna Amazon. The Luna Amazon. I guess games. Free games. Okay. It looks like it's. Yeah, Capipa list. Capipa lists. I guess like as a free game. I'll put a period here. Ah. There we go. I'm going to claim this game. Bam. Get code. Redeem. It's a Windows game. All right, so boom. All right. Before, like, it wouldn't even, like, disappear. Rebel Galaxy. Deep Sky Derelict my balls. Collected. Sir Questionnaire. I just claim everything usually. What is this? This looks dumb. Let's get it. So eventually GOG gets pissed off that you keep on doing this. Yeah. I want to play this game. All right. I got this game, I think, on like I think I got this on Steam. Okay, it went in. Go to my account. Redeem code. All right, code is already used. All right, cool. Go back. Pale Beyond. What the fuck is this? I already collected it. All right. Deep Sky Derelict my balls. King of Retail. Oh, wait a second. Play game. Well, that fucking sucks. Pharaoh. This looks dumb. Let's get it. This looks dumb. Let's get it. All right. I think it's claimed. Game is ready. Success. Oh, no way. Xbox Enemy Unknown complete pack. Holy fuck. I've been wanting to play this game, right? I've been putting it off. Holy shit. I want to play this game. Like bad. What's all in this? All right, so where is this at? What's all in it? Can I just fucking... Can I go to the page? Saints Row, Mafia 3, Blood Omen. Oh, they got Blood Omen. Holy shit. What's Ash World? That seems like store page. Oh my gosh, is this fucking... That looks like what's his face? That 2.9 out of 5. That looks like fucking what's his name? Bruce Campbell. Does he have a chainsaw hand? All right. There's a reason why it looks like Bruce Campbell. Because Bruce Campbell's a fucking legend. All right. Claim game. King of Retail. That guy looks like a fucking serial killer. Let's get it. All right. Claim code. Does this count? There we go. I'm a fucking AI, yo. All right, so. Oh, yeah. Rat's Quest. Oh, my gosh. Ratatouille bullshit. It looks like Ratatouille. This looks stupid. Let's get it. It's ready. Ratatouille Part 2. Detective Agency Gray Tile Complete Edition, I guess. Okay, this is like totally like a woman's game, dude. They love this type of shit. My ex-wife would fucking like copy code where I do this. All right. Where do I get this? On Legacy Games. Oh my gosh, I don't think I'm gonna do this. Oh my gosh, this is totally like a chicks game, dude. Oh yeah, I'm not going there. I'm gonna let it die. Never going there, baby. Claim game. Claim code. Yeah. Snake Core. It'll be there. All right. Hi. Monster Harvester. Oh yeah, baby. Where does this go? Epic Game Store. Oh yeah, dude. Epic Game Store. I wonder how long this is gonna last. Because they're not like making dick on their shit. They're not making anything. All right. Fantasy Journal. Wait a minute. Yeah, I probably shouldn't be doing this during stream. Yeah. I guess if someone really wanted to fucking... if they really wanted to get that wolf game, then they could sell it on eBay. Sell it on eBay, bitch. Okay, Invisible War, man, I got like tons of these games. Lord of the Rings. Hell yeah. So like, the reason why I have this is because of The Witcher. And I think I got The Witcher. I got The Witcher 3 for free when I purchased the GTX 970. And it came with The Witcher, I think. Yeah. It came with The Witcher. Hell yeah. It's a good game. Cause I would have just bought it on fucking Steam. I wouldn't have bought it here. So where's that like taxi cab? I'll have to install this later. So anyways, I got my free games. Ask Gemini. Ask these nuts. There we go. There we go. So, hope it's worth it. Oh yeah. All right. So these things load up, right? And I have not like. Let's try to see if we can load in like here. Got Henry's a genius, right? So we know like her. These are her codes. What's this? That's 0. We'll put in like her 3. What the fuck is that? Her ID and her creator ID. Yeah, so I guess like let's grab these. All right, so and delete. Bitch. This is 3. There we go. And this will just be ID here. Three and 3, comma. Well, I'm just gonna actually put these 2 things in. All right, so why is it doing this? Stop it. Stop it. There we go. Save. Bum, bum, bum. Bada bum, bada bum, bum. So I got like a ton of these that like I guess I have like the old key. But I don't have like I guess I can grab the duration. But oh, I know the date too. Okay, so I can add a lot of this stuff that I have already on file. And then I can just kind of put it in there. All right. So we said get all Twitch channels. We got all Twitch channels. Huh. I wonder what happens like if we oh, it doesn't have that info on it. What else does this have? It just has these. All right. Wait a second. ID. Wait a second. We grab the channels. ID, creator ID, name, URL, and then last download 0. And then, oh, okay. These will be fucking empty. I think I had to fucking, I don't know if they could sort it out. But let's put like a, get all Twitch channels. I kind of like that one. So, Joe sample, JSON sample. I think I already did. No. Did I do this one? Oh. Yeah. Yeah, let's just grab the channel and then like we'll go through these here. And we know see here we'll get the Twitch ID and everything. So I know that like this shit will be available through this. And info struct, where's that one thing at? Where's my table? So the table for Twitch streams, I guess like I want to have like some stipulations to it. Like title, twcom ID. I fixed this, right? I just want to double make sure I fix that. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So we're going to load these in. And new channels, JSON Marshall. I guess this will return the channel. Oh, okay. Boom. We'll do this in the main. Funk. We don't need to do an add channel, but we'll be like add streams. There we go. And then we'll take in the channel. Twitch channel, comma, and no, then it'll be like a star channel, right? All right. And here, I guess we'll just return like an error. Yeah, maybe count. I don't know. All right, so how do we add stuff to it? I was kind of working on that a little bit here. Don't know. This like looks everything up. Change column. Ooh. So you need to know like change these values. Billy Bong Thornton. Why do I have to like do it twice? What is this? Column. Oh, string volume. Okay. Must be string one, not one. Why? I think this is the one I had to delete. All right. Billy Bong. Okay. So we take this in. Public. Update. All right. Update. What's exact mean? Add columns. change column, adding columns, adding main add user, list user. So this add user will be like an adding a row. All right, so let's do this. I don't know how it'll look if I just put it in how it is, right? So what I'm gonna do is kind of do that. And I'm not sure like if I could take a well we will kind of, we'll come up to this when we can. All right, so this is adding a user. Cut. There we go. Mm-hmm. New client, public. This is a system service role. All right. Return error. There we go. New user. We don't need this one. So this will be a map, but we'll just we'll take in these. So we don't need these. All right. So boom. Good night. Inserted. What does this do? I can't remember what this does. Did I do this here? Did I use inserted? Ooh. Oh. Execute to all channels. Insert. Execute to. Execute to Postgres query encoded the results. Code the results to the supplied interface. Note that the arguments to the parameters should always be by reference to a slice. All right. So I guess like insert interface. So I could put this shit in upsert. Returning. All right, so inserted, like I can use this here, or I can create new ones like this. All right. So I guess let's do some like did equals make info and I guess like here I'll be like len of channels Twitch channel streams. All right. All right, so here, the streams, let's go ahead and do it now. We have Twitch channel ID and its own ID. So we don't have its own ID. So we need to put like its Twitch channel ID on that. which will be this first row. Yeah. Let's put these here. Here. 3. Continuous 3. And here we do this too. Eventually this will be, yeah. Eventually this will be put in there. Itself. All right, so we got those 3. So I'm thinking like I could put like I'm thinking like I could put like the fucking, where's that shit at? I could put like the, no, not that one. I can put this in here. Like Twitch channel dot like streams, right? I'm thinking I could put that in there. Yeah. Yeah. And we got false. Normal insert on conflict only need one. Need if insert upsert equal true. I think, ooh, shit. Can I only insert one at a time? I might have to do this twice. All right, so. Let's see if this does like a. Filter builder. Holy fuck. I think I might have to do this in like twice, like for the range of. Yeah. Yeah. I think I need to do like. Yeah. Insert. Okay, so for I equals the range of Twitch. I is this stream range of Twitch channel dot streams. All right, so count error. See, this makes you think like it returns row count. Man, this is why I don't think I need to do this. All right, let's see what happens. What's the worst that'll happen? My fucking dog will die. All right, inserted. All right, so that will take that. That's that, mister. That's that. I'm going to print the account. All right. Inserted Marshall data. Inserted. Context execute to new decoder. It should just put it right in that. So I'm gonna print whatever this says. All right. What's this mean? I guess we'll save it. What is this? Content creator.go. I didn't do anything weird to this, did I? All right. I'm gonna. We'll return. We'll print the count. We're printing the count. If inserted greater than 0. Do I have to make a length to this? I'm gonna make this 0. I'm gonna make this 0. There we go. Because it was going to be 2 no matter what when I put that in there. So this one, it should build to it. If let inserted equals count. I don't know. Greater than 0. fmt.println inserted. All right. Okay. fmt.println printing inserted. There we go. And then return nil, I guess. All right, so all right. Exact row count. Returns the full. All right. And then like in the main here. Ice, baby. So okay. This gets all the Twitch channels. It's all the Twitch channels on the database. There you go. All right. I'll do this. Copy. All right. So func main Twitch dot add streams. What? JSON sample. So this gives me the okay. Henya stuff. Error. If error not equal to nil, panic error. All right, and then Twitch dot what the fuck did I call this here? Add streams to database. There we go. We'll call it that. There we go. And this takes this channel. There we go. And yeah. So I guess like I could run another one, be like get all the get all the fucking channel infos. I wonder if I can do like, oh yeah, I could do it like I can run one that'll be like, I'll bring in the channel and then I'll be like, I want all the streams, right? And then I'll do all the streams. But this returns an error, so all right, error. If error not equal to nil, panic, error. There we go. Let's see if this works. Uh-oh. Could not find date column of users in the schema stack. What? Oh shit. I did the wrong one. All right, so this should have been I need to put a thing in here like this says streams, right? But maybe I need like a better means to fucking to do this. So this is actually not a user's. So this will be so I should put like table, SQL table, right? So maybe I need to put like an SQL table in for this shit somewhere. So the SQL table for this is I think it's Twitch streams. I think it's Twitch streams. Let's see. Okay, Billy Bong Thornton. Thank goodness. So Twitch streams. There it is. I might do like a. This might be perfect for a generic. I might actually make a generic. Yeah. Twitch streams. So like if it gets like an info here or whatever, like it'll return like this or something. I don't know. All right, so this was users. Boom. There we go. Let's see if this works. There we go. Bitch. Channel. What? What? Twitch streams. Twitch channel ID. What is that? Key violated, violates unique constraints. What the fuck? All right. Is there anything in there? So let's look at this channel. Edit. Enforces values to the column. Is unique across rows. No, this will not be unique. Allow knowable. This one's unique. Allow nullable. A primary key. I thought like it was basically saying like this was unique to that. Let's check for YouTube channels like YouTube streams. Enforces values in the column to unique rows across rows. All right, so what happened to this then? It's still linked. Let me see what this is. So I Twitch channel ID. Yeah. Now this one would be unique. Let me see what this shows here. All right, so Twitch streams. All right. Well, let's see what happens when I do that. Rows, columns. What? Wait a second. Twitch. Got 0 in here. 15 columns? Holy shit. What is this? Oh, okay. All right, so I saved that, right? And let's see what happens now. Ah, that was fast. Printing inserted. Inserted 2 rows successfully. Did that and that. Oh my goodness. Hey, it went in there, guys. Yay. So we can check out in here, table editor. Hell yeah, brothers. Got that in there. Has our channel in there. Yep. So this will, yeah. So if I want to like get one for the channel, it's like, I have to sell it like for the Twitch ID here. I'll have to have like a list of all this. And then I can put like, I want nothing like, and like, I wonder if I could put like, has been downloaded. So if it's null, or if I want, yeah, if I want a list of things downloaded, then I can do that. So here's the IDs. Yep. Excellent. Video path. We don't have that yet. So now I need to know like, ow. I'm like half fucking tempted just to put like my config all in here. I have a config table. And then like I could like change configs too. That might be a pain in the ass though. I could do that. Yeah. I'm half tempted to put like I was wanting to put files on it, but I think there's like there might be like oh yeah, an FTP, like a file server. Yeah, file transfer protocol. I could do that. All right, those added. Yay, chat. Did it add everything that we wanted though? So let's double check to see what it added. Just make sure it's right. It looked like there's no errors, right? How to know it was like null? Video path. Well, a lot of them are text. Muted audio, error and download. No, yeah, we haven't even downloaded anything. So, let's pull up this here. So we had our Twitch ID 3. Why is this here? This should not be here. This should be something else. So I'm gonna delete this. Creator ID. Yeah, that was not supposed to be there. But her creator ID is 3 also. So we'll put creator ID. There we go. Because it went like it went 3 and 3. There you go. And oh, one's -1, one's 1. All right, so oh, interesting. Good. Got a good sample there. And then like date 4/18, okay. 4/17. All right. Duration text. That's good. And uh-oh. Okay, we're good. Okay. And yay, we got it, chat. We got it. There's gonna be like thousands and thousands of thousands of shit in here. Hundreds of thousands. Then you can like check to see how big your table is. What I was thinking about doing too, I wonder if I can like, I need to make a copy of like this VM, like a backup copy on another SSD, and just like copy it like every other day or something. Yeah. Make like 2 copies and kind of switch between the 2. You know, in case like it fucking crashes in the middle of that shit. You don't want that to happen, right? Yeah. What was I gonna look for? Yeah, I'm fucking happy. I'm happy, chat. I'm happy. So I was thinking about doing like one for the downloads. Yeah. I think I'm gonna load like a few more, maybe a few more in there. This is kind of old. I don't want to do too much, but like I'll like enter in the data myself. Maybe I'll do some newer ones for like Henya, like her last like 3 or something like that. And then have it where it saves and put it in there, and then yeah, and then I forget like where I set it. I had to fucking look. Element mount. mount, media fetcher. So I don't have anything in there yet. So I got nothing there. I got all these I need to fucking load in. Tons of this shit. Yeah. 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 Dot profile. So server storage, it's all gonna go in here. Stream cache, I'll be like updating these. I got things here. I think I can get most of the information here. At least for this, but like I won't. But okay, I know the date here, and I can get the information here. Boom, and I got the chat there. And so yeah, I can add shit in. I need to make like a walk function that will kind of like do that for me, and then like also add. So yeah. But I gotta make sure I add them all in here. Yeah. Yeah. Server storage. Man, I feel like I'm getting somewhere a little bit. Yeah. I love this. I love it. Yeah, for the other ones, like I wouldn't know like what the com key is any longer. Yeah. Oh, I need to be able to get, yeah. So like the next two, this will be like tomorrow night. So we're gonna do like one that grabs like the first two Henya streams and like try to grab all the clips. I might want to like write a little bit of code and see if I can get like I might have to, I'm on a roll with this, but the clips part, I think I really want to like get as many as I can. And so I'm going to have to like test out to not, I guess like the right one to this PC here. So I got a PC here, right here. So system, fuck off. All right. Click on the notification icon for details. There we go. So yeah, I got that PC there. It's gonna be headless, or it's gonna have a head on it, and I think I could be able to like do a little bit of scrapies. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna go to bed now. So we got like a few things done. I'm just not used to writing databases, and this will eventually get easier and easier. This will eventually get easier and easier. And after that, it's all groovy. So, yeah, I can't log in because it's stuck on the login screen. I wish I could log in. Because this is like a shared screen here. Yeah. Shared screen. Boom. All right, so you notice like how like a bunch of windows don't pop up and just on your fucking desktop? Look at that. Yeah, look at that. I'm not getting bombarded by a bunch of shit opening a window on me. Yeah. Welcome to fucking Linux. So this is like an old ass fucking computer. So it's a 4-core. Yeah, it's a 4-core. I got NVMe. I got 1 terabyte. Oh yeah. I got an SSD on here too. What the fuck? Oh, there it is. 2 terabyte SSD. I think I'm gonna take this out. I was gonna use it for like a little bit of video editing, like light video editing, but I think I'm gonna replace it. I got like a 250 gigabyte SSD I could put in this. It'll be definitely a down. I'm gonna use this for something completely different than what I was using it for. I'm now gonna use it as a server. I'm now gonna use it as a non-headless server. So, but like I'm gonna mine it out for this 1 terabyte because this shit's expensive now. Like a 2 terabyte like SSD is now like $200. Like a regular fucking SSD. It's fucking nuts, man. What's going on with the world today? I don't know what it is. So anyways, all right, everybody. Appreciate y'all. And I'm Audi 5000. Oh yeah, you guys couldn't fucking see what I was doing. Yeah. I forgot I was on the end screen. I'm fucking retarded. Get those sleeps. Yeah, thank you, Edward. Thank you. I'm outie. I'll get those sleeps. The cat naps. Bye. No cat naps.